is for airplane, up so high, flying fast across the sky. B is for bucket, filled with sand, building castles by your hand. C is for cherries, juicy and red, a sweet little snack before bed. D is for drum, pounding away, beating rhythms every day. E is for elephant, big and strong, trumpeting loudly all day long. F is for fence, standing near, keeping gardens safe and clear. G is for goggles, helping to see, worn when swimming happily. H is for hen, clucking proud, laying eggs without a crowd. I is for ice cube, frozen and cold, melting slowly as it's told. J is for jeep, rolling fast, driving roads made to last. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and sweet, a tasty fruit that's fun to eat. L is for lamp, shining bright, lighting the room at night. M is for monkey, swinging free, climbing branches tree to tree. N is for needle, sharp and small, used for sewing clothes for all. O is for oyster, hiding a pearl, a treasure found around the world. P is for pencil, writing clear, letters and numbers appear. Q is for quill, used long ago, writing letters row by row. R is for rainbow, shining high, stretching colors across the sky. S is for seal, clapping fins, sliding on ice with happy grins. T is for teapot, short and stout, pouring tea when it comes out. U is for uniform, neat and clean, worn by helpers to be seen. V is for volcano, fiery might, smoke and fire burning bright. W is for wagon, pulling toys, shared by girls and boys. X is for xylophone, tapping a tune, bright little notes all afternoon. Y is for yarn, long and thin, knitting scarves to keep warmth in. Z is for zebra, stripes so neat, running fast on quick little feet. That was the ABC Play and Learn song. Animals and objects from A to Z. Subscribe to Little Animal Melodies for more ABC songs every day.